So now solving for x, we have to express the given equation in terms of a x here. So we want x value. So I will write 2px is equals to y minus y square into p cube. 2px is equals to, take the y square p cube to the left hand side, so it will become negative. So y as it is minus y square into p cube. So I want x value here. So x is equals to, take 2p as a right hand side, y minus y square into p cube divided by 2p. Now separate the variables, y divided by 2p minus y square p cube divided by 2p. So here 1p get cancelled, remaining is y by 2p minus y into p, sorry, this is y square 1p get cancelled, remaining is y square into p square divided by 2. Okay, so we get the value of a p, x. So we have to differentiate this one now with respect to y. So differentiate with respect to y, we get. So what we get? Differentiation of x with respect to derivative of x with respect to y is dx by dy is equals to. So I am taking 1 by 2 as a outside here. So remaining is y by p. So you can apply the product rule, or you can apply the u by v rule. You can apply quotient rule also. So I am taking product rule here. So y as it is 1 by p is minus 1 by p square, and derivative of p is dp by dy, plus 1 by p as it is, derivative of y is 1. So bracket close, minus as it is. So take 1 by 2 as outside. So remaining terms are y square and into p square. So y square as it is, p square, differentiation of a p square is 2p dp by dy. Okay, so plus p square as it is, derivative of a y square is 2y. Bracket close. So now multiply with the 1 by 2. So it will become minus y 2 into p square dp by dy plus 1 by 2p minus, so here 2 get cancelled, remaining term is p into y square dp by dy. So minus plus minus, so here 2, this 2 get cancelled, remaining terms are p square into y. So we know dx by dy is 1 by p. Okay, so dx by dy is 1 by so now 1 by p is equals to, so here I am taking 1 by 2p square as a common. Just to make two terms similar, I am taking 1 by 2p square as a common here. So what remaining? The remaining terms are minus y. So 1 by 2p square is common. So remaining terms are minus y dp by dy. So here I am taking 1 by 2p square. One p term is remains. So it will become plus p. Now 1 by 2p square term is not there. So it goes to the denominator. So if we take the reciprocal, so it comes to the numerator side. So 2p square and p into y square dp by dy terms as it is, minus 2p square into p square into y term as it is. So now you can multiply p square into p is p cube, and here p square into p square is p to the power of 4. So 1 by p as it is, So 1 by p is equals to 1 by 2p square. So I will write plus p first, p minus of y dp by dy minus 2 as it is, p square into p is p cube, y square dp by dy minus 2p to the power of 4 into y. So now take the terms to the left hand side of the equation. So now cross multiply this one. So we will get 2p square divided by p is equals to, write the sum terms as it is, p minus y dp by dy minus 2p cube into y square dp by dy minus 2p to the power of 4 into y. So here 1p get cancels, so remaining is 2p. Now take all these terms to the left hand side, so it will become minus p plus y into dp by dy plus 2p cube y square dp by dy plus 2y into p to the power of 4 is equals to 0. Okay, so here I can write 2p minus p is equals to p. 2p minus p is only p plus y dp by dy plus 2p to the power of 3 into y square dp by dy plus 2y p to the power of 4 is equals to 0. So here I can write p plus y dp by dy plus, so out of these two terms I am taking 2p cube y as a common here. So I am taking 2p cube and y as a common. So remaining terms are y dp by dy plus p is equals to 0 is the remaining term. So see here, now these two terms are same. We get these two terms as a similar. So I am taking p plus y dp by dy as a common. So we get 1 plus 2p cube into y is equals to 0. So we get the product of two terms. Now we have to neglect the term which do not contain dp by dy term. So I am neglecting the second term which does not contain any dp by dy value. So I will take only the first term p plus y dp by dy is equals to 0. Okay, so now y into dp by dy is equals to minus p. Now separate the variables, dp by p is equals to minus dy by y. Now apply the integration, dp by p is log p is equals to log y minus as it is plus log c. So log p, take the log y to the left hand side, so it will become positive. So log a plus log ab is log a plus log b. So p into y is equals to log get cancelled, remaining is py is equals to c. So p is equals to c divided by y is our p value. Now we have to substitute this p value in the given equation number 1. Okay, so what is the given equation? Given equation is y is equal to 2px plus y square p to the power of 3. So now we will substitute the p value, that is c by y. So y is equal to 2 as it is, c by y into x plus y square, p is c by y, cube is there, so it will become c cube divided by y cube. So y is equals to 2cx divided by y plus here y square and y square get cancelled, remaining is c cube divided by y. Now take y as a LCM and cross multiplication, so we will get y square is equals to 2cx plus c cube is the our required complete solution of the given differential equation. Okay, so nodi In the second example, we have to separate the variables, x variables one side and remaining p and y variables one side. Now differentiate the given equation. So here I am taking 1 by p square as a common just to find the factors of the equation. So here 1 by 2p is there, but I am taking 1 by 2p square as a common. So what it will become? It goes to the denominator, 1 by 2p divided by 1 by 2p square. Now take the reciprocal, 1 by 2p, 2p square divided by 1. So 2p get cancelled, remaining is p only. So we have to write p here. So common ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. So here p minus 1 by 2p square is common, remaining terms are minus y into dp by dy minus. So here also 1 by 2p square is not there. So it will become divided by 1 by 2p square. So 1 by 2p square goes to the numerator, take a reciprocal. So it goes to the numerator, becomes 2p square. So p into p is p cube. So y square as it is, remaining is dp by dy. So here also, so I am taking 1 by p square as a common, but here 1 by p square term is not there. So it goes to the divided by 1 by p square. So take a reciprocal, it will become 2p square into p square into y. So 2 as it is, p square into p square is p to the power of 4 into y. So this is the process of finding the common term. Okay. So understood? So see the next example. So any doubt in the second example? Okay. So solve the given differential equation. So differential equation is given here, that is p is equals to tan x minus p divided by 1 plus p square. So we have to express the given equation in terms of a x here. So I am taking tan to the left hand side, so it will become tan inverse of p. So tan inverse of p is equals to x minus p divided by 1 plus p square. So I want x value. So I will take p divided by 1 plus p square to the left hand side. So it will become minus. So it will become positive. Sorry. So first write the given equation. So given equation is p is equals to tan x minus p divided by 1 plus p square. So take tan to the left hand side, so it will become tan inverse of p is equals to x minus p divided by 1 plus p square. Okay. So 1 plus p square. So now x is equals to, take the p divided by 1 plus p square to the left hand side, so it will become plus tan inverse of p as it is plus p divided by 1 plus p square. So give it as a equation number 1. Now we have to differentiate the given equation with respect to y. So it will become dx by dy is equals to tan inverse of p. What is tan inverse of x formula? Tan inverse of x is equals to, yes, 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So in the place of x we have to put p. So 1 divided by 1 plus p square. Then derivative of p is dp by dy plus. So So here you have to apply the u by v rule. Apply the quotient rule here. So v, u by v as it is, that is 1 plus p square as it is. Next, differentiation of a u, derivative of p is dp by dy minus p as it is, derivative of 1 plus p square is 2p dp by dy divided by v square is 1 plus p square whole square. Okay, so we know dx by dy is 1 by p is equals to 1 by 1 plus p square dp by dy plus 1 plus p square. So I am taking dp by dy as a common here. So 1 plus p square minus of 2 into p square. Take dp by dy common over here. So remaining 1 plus p square whole square as it is. So we know minus 2p square plus p square is minus p square. So 1 divided by 1 plus p square as it is dp by dy. Next plus 1 as it is, p square minus 2p square is minus p square divided by 1 plus p square whole square dp by dy as it is. So now out of these two terms take dp by dy as a common. So 1 plus p square plus 1 minus p square divided by 1 plus p square whole square dp by dy. Okay, so now take 1 plus p square whole square as a LCM. So here 1 plus p square plus 1 minus p square as it is. So plus p square minus p square dp by dy as it is cancels. So remaining is 2 divided by 1 plus p square whole square into dp by dy. So 1 by p is equals to 2 divided by 1 plus p square whole square into dp by dy. So now separate the terms. So now cross multiplication this one, dy is equals to 2p into dp divided by 1 plus p square into whole square. So now apply the integration method. Integration of a dy is equals to integration of a 2p divided by 1 plus p square whole square into dp. So now I am substituting 1 plus p square is equals to t. So now differentiate this one with respect to t. So p square is 2p into dp is equals to dt. Differentiate on the both sides with respect to c. With respect to t, we get 2p dp is equals to t into t dt. So now, so 2p dp is dt divided by 1 plus p square is t square plus is equals to, next what is the x power n formula? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So apply this formula. So t to the power minus 2. So it will become minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Take t square to the numerator, it will become t to the power minus 2. Apply the x power n formula, x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So it will become t to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus c. Next, take t to the denominator, it will become 1 minus as it is. So 1 divided by t plus c. So here integration of dy is y. So y is equals to minus 1 by t plus c. Now substitute the value of t. Y is equals to minus 1 by, what is t here? T is 1 plus p square. So 1 plus p square plus c. So this is our required general solution. So solution is in the parametric form. So this is our required complete solution of the given differential equation. Okay. So ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಸಾಕು. In the next class, so some more examples are there on this method, same solvable for X method. So continue in the next class. So understood this problem? Okay.